Sloppy Joes were prevalent in cafeterias, but their questionable meat quality and unbalanced sauce often left students disappointed, contributing to their decline in popularity. The Oreo Big Stuff sought to provide a larger take on the classic cookie. However, its unwieldy size made it impractical and resulted in a messy eating experience for consumers. Dr. Pepper gum represented an innovative idea to transform soda flavor into a chewable format, yet it quickly lost favor due to an unsatisfactory taste and fleeting flavor intensity. Initially, Dr. Pepper gum intrigued consumers, but it soon became a forgotten snack as it failed to authentically replicate the beloved soda's flavor. Ecto Cooler, linked with the Ghostbusters franchise, faced criticism for its overly sweet taste despite its vibrant marketing. This highlights how promotional efforts can overshadow actual product quality. The MCDLT aimed to maintain ingredient freshness, yet it encountered backlash due to excessive packaging and a lackluster taste, reminding us of the critical balance between innovation and practicality. Consumer demand for the original Coca-Cola underscores the significance of brand loyalty. Drastic changes can alienate dedicated customers, and companies must remain attuned to consumer sentiments. The misstep of New Coke serves as a cautionary tale for businesses, illustrating the necessity of thorough market research before implementing substantial product changes. Grasping consumer preferences is essential. The legacy of New Coke showcases broader trends in marketing history, demonstrating how products that fail to connect with their audience can become infamous examples of corporate blunders. Learning from such errors remains crucial. Crystal Pepsi encountered challenges with consumer confusion over its clear appearance, which led to perceptions of unnatural ingredients and lack of flavor, contributing to its swift decline in popularity. Fruit Wrinkles targeted health-conscious consumers by marketing itself as a natural snack alternative. Unfortunately, its unappealing texture and artificial flavors resulted in disappointing sales. Carnation breakfast bars aimed to provide convenience, but were met with criticism for their dry texture and artificial taste, which ultimately hindered consumer acceptance. Banquet boiling bags led to overcooked vegetables and proteins, creating a mushy texture with blended flavors that disappointed consumers seeking fresh meal experiences. Bubble Yum Soda attempted to mimic the familiar taste of the gum, but it was criticized for its unusual flavor and carbonation clash, failing to resonate with consumers. Similarly, Hubba Bubba Soda sought to capture a beloved gum flavor in liquid form, yet many found it artificial and overly sweet, lacking a refreshing experience. Pudding Pops received criticism for not replicating the creamy richness of traditional pudding, making them less favored in dessert options, despite appealing to nostalgia. Primo Italian sausage patties, although convenient, faced backlash for their greasy texture and artificial flavor, failing to provide an authentic Italian experience for consumers. Chef Boyardee products, though popular for quick meals, often received criticism for mushy pasta and overly sweet sauces, lacking the depth and quality of homemade alternatives.